In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to delete Instagram watch history. Let's get started. First of all, make sure you have updated your Instagram app. To do that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it. Now navigate to the profile page, then click on three bars given at the top right. Now here you're going to find different option. Navigate to the option Your Activity. Now scroll all the way down. Under how you use Instagram, you're going to find the option Watch History. Click on that. Now in this page, you're going to find the list of the videos that you have watched. Now how to delete it. For that, click on the option Select given at the top right. Now check in for the reels that you want to delete in this way. Once you have selected the reels, click on the option Remove given at the bottom. Confirm it. With that, the selected reels will be deleted from your watch history. So this way you are able to delete Instagram watch history. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.